Alright guys, what we have here is a 2014 Mazda 6 Grand Touring. We already took out the airbag. We're trying to get to the clock spring because with these cars, when the airbag goes off, these connectors get too hot and they melt out. So we got to change the whole clock spring. You know, some people cut it out, but we just want to change the whole clock spring. So this is a 21. Just take this out. I already took it out already, but just to show you guys. And I took this out at first, but you don't have to take it out. But then you have to take this socket out right here, this plug right here. Take it out. Just wiggle the steering wheel, and it's going to come out just like that. All right. So let's go down here. There are 2 screws right here. All you need is a star screwdriver, like this one. Phillips, like how they say it in America. Okay, so there's 1 screw right here. There's another one right here. I took this one off, so I'm going to take this one too off. It's a little dark. Bear with me. Remember, you don't. Well, this one we're changing anyways, but you don't want to mess with the clock spring so that it moves out of center. Don't do it all the way. I'm looking. You're recording and doing. Okay, so it just fell out. And so what you're going to do is you're going to pry this open. And so I'm going to put the camera down and try to open this. So give me 1 second. Got a star screwdriver. Oh, yeah. And there you have it. There is this loop over here. Just push it down, and there you have it. Now the clock spring is all yours to take out at this point. Look down here. You have 2 plugs over here, and you don't need any screws. All you have to do is just pop it out. It's just going to drop out. You just take those 2 sockets down here off, and then just pop it out. So look at it right there, down there. See it? Yep. Just pop it out, and then we're good to go. All right. Thanks, guys. Just give me a like if this video helps you. All right. Thanks.